Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread pudding at home. First, gather your ingredients: stale bread, milk, eggs, and sugar. You'll want about 6 slices of day-old bread, which gives the best texture. Combine this with 2 large eggs, a half cup of sugar, and 2 cups of milk. This simple combination forms the perfect foundation for a comforting dessert. Next, tear your stale bread into 1-inch pieces and place them evenly in a baking dish. In a separate bowl, whisk together your milk, eggs, sugar, and any spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. Pour this liquid mixture over the bread, making sure every piece is thoroughly saturated. Allow the bread to soak for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a creamy, tender pudding. Now it's time to bake your pudding. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 45 minutes. You'll know it's done when a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Serve your warm bread pudding with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a rich caramel sauce. Any leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, perfect for a quick treat. Want to get creative? Try adding 1/4 cup of raisins, chocolate chips, or even a teaspoon of vanilla extract to your mixture. You can also experiment with different types of bread, such as brioche or challah, for unique textures. For more kitchen tips and other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.